Welcome to this guide on how to use a Santander student account. As a student, managing your finances effectively is crucial to ensure a smooth academic journey. A Santander student account is designed to provide you with a convenient and flexible way to manage your money. First, you need to be eligible for a Santander student account. To qualify, you must be a student aged 18 or over, have a confirmed place at a university or college, and be living in the UK. You can apply online or in a branch, and you will need to provide proof of your student status and identification. Once you have opened your account, you will receive a debit card and a checkbook. You can use your debit card to make purchases online, in stores, or to withdraw cash from an ATM. You can also set up direct debits and standing orders to pay bills and make regular payments. To manage your account, you can use the Santander online banking service or the mobile banking app. These services allow you to check your balance, view transactions, and transfer money to other accounts. You can also set up account alerts to notify you when a payment is due or when your balance is low. One of the key benefits of a Santander student account is the interest-free overdraft. This means that you can borrow money up to a certain limit without incurring interest charges. However, you must be careful not to exceed your overdraft limit, as this can result in fees and charges. To make the most of your Santander student account, it is essential to practice good money management habits. This includes budgeting, keeping track of your spending, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. You should also take advantage of the account's features, such as the ability to set up savings goals and track your progress. In addition to the account's features, Santander also offers a range of benefits and rewards for students. These include exclusive discounts, special offers, and access to career resources and advice. You can find out more about these benefits by visiting the Santander website or speaking to a representative in a branch. In conclusion, a Santander student account is a valuable tool for managing your finances as a student. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good money management habits, you can make the most of your account and set yourself up for financial success. Remember to always keep track of your spending, avoid unnecessary expenses, and take advantage of the account's features and benefits to ensure a smooth and successful academic journey.